welcome back to my channel. This is week 3 in the Fall Food Friday collab with the Moss family. Today I'm bringing you a simple, easy, and delicious and super comforting recipe, sweet tater biscuits. Come on guys, let's get cooking. Okay, to start the sweet tater biscuits, we have got 2 cups of, I've got the Southern biscuit mix. It already has shortening mixed in it. To that I've added 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to give it a little stir here. To that I will add a half a cup of mashed sweet potatoes. They're just boiled and cooked and mashed. We'll add half a cup here. 1 cup of buttermilk. 1 cup of buttermilk. And to this I will add 3 tablespoons to make it a little bit more moist. I'll add 3 tablespoons of oil, just standard vegetable oil here. Let's see, 2 and 3. There we go. I'll get this stirred up here. And you can see. Okay guys, the biscuits are mixed up. I'm just going to do a simple drop biscuit today. I'm going to spray my cast iron skillet because to me, biscuits just taste better in cooked in a cast iron skillet. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees and I'm going to put these in the pan. Simple drop biscuit method. Y'all, my biscuits are not looking like biscuits at all. I put them in, I don't know, I've never tried this recipe. I've made sweet potato biscuits, but I've never had this recipe, but it's looking more like a bread, so we may be making sweet potato biscuit bread. I'm not sure. Let's roll with it. Let's see. I want to show you a pic. Guys, they did not turn out like biscuits at all. I'm talking about at all. It is more like a flatbread maybe. So when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. I'm gonna make lemonade out of this because this is what I have bought and planned to make for Fall Food Friday. I'm just gonna turn it around and we're gonna have something delicious anyway. Okay, here's what it turned out to look like. Okay guys, I've added some butter, cinnamon, and maple syrup. Let's see how this tastes, guys. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie to you. I was so disappointed and so sad when I looked in there and those biscuits had turned out to be like a flat bread. They hardly rose at all. I looked in there and I thought, my Fall Food Friday, the one that I went to the store and bought all the stuff for yesterday, flopped. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? I ended up adding that butter and cinnamon and maple syrup. It was amazing. It might be my new favorite recipe for pancakes. The boys loved it, loved it. And it's so easy to make. Honestly, it was like an easy pancake. It was delicious. I've got some leftover sweet potatoes. I probably will make these again this weekend. So here we go. I'm so sorry it didn't turn out, but I'm glad it did. I can't wait to see what you all are making this week. I've had a blast looking at all the amazing recipes you have posted. I'm so thankful. Fallon, thank you so much for putting this on. This has been an absolute blast. I can't wait to see the next few months. I can't wait to see what everyone's cooking. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you all next week.